Good morning, Jose. I have got a question for you. I'm working on import tariff quotas. Um, okay, I started actually my list from 2006 because there are some of the tariff quotas are announced for more than 1 year, like 2 years, 3 years. So I said in order to see the previous level, it's better to start an earlier year. Okay, for example, for this one, for acrylonitrile, um, okay, these are the previous years. Okay, I have reported this year. It entered into force in 2009 and expired in end of the year 2009. This is something that is renewed almost every year. I checked the following years for 2010 and for 2011, and it is renewed, and most probably it will continue. Okay, I have reported this one as a new state act, and I entered for example, this is the quantity, 145,000 tons as the previous level, and 75,000 tons as the new level. Okay, this is my new state act, and this is another new state act for the year 2010. 60,000 tons, so they decreased the tariff quota level. And for the following year, they didn't change anything. The government actually, the tariff quota expired in the end of the year, and in the next day, actually, they started it again for the same level. So what I did is, okay, this is my okay. This is for the year 2009, and I extended it and I increased it for this state act. What I want to ask you is, I added a sentence here, and I said, okay, the government renewed the tariff quota for the year 2011 for the same amount, and when I look at the 2012, if I see the same thing, I will add another probably sentence that it will extend it for 2012. And regarding the termination date, the first state act actually expired in the end of 2010, but because the government has extended it for another 1 year, I expired it for 2011. So if I in the end of the year 2011, if I see another the same kind of tariff quota, I will change also this date. So I want to just verify, is this correct what I'm doing? Because there are too many examples of this. I mean, if the amount, the tariff quota amount, the instrument doesn't change, I'm updating it. But is this correct way of updating? And my second question is, about reporting to you, to Johannes, you and Simon. If, for example, this one was published, entering another year for 2011 was counted as an update. Should I reported it as an updated measure, or just for example, for when I look at 2012, I add a sentence in the bottom here and just leave it like that? Or should I also report it to you, okay, I have updated this tariff before this one is published, for example? All right, I wanted to keep it short. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.